For today's episode, I'm going to be making a spinach Parmesan stuffing, and I'm going to be using it to fill these little fried tofu pockets that I made. And we're going to be doing a riff on chicken marsala, but vegan and allergy friendly. This is our faux chicken breast, I guess. And then for the spinach Parmesan stuffing, this is what we've got going on. I've got some frozen spinach that I thawed out, and then I squeezed all of the liquid out. So we got a nice little spinach ball here. I've got a little bit of minced sweet onion. If you can't get your hands on sweet onion, it's fine. Try to use yellow, it's a little bit more mild. And then we've got some really good olive oil here. Some of my vegan Parmesan. You can find the recipe on my page, or if you don't want to make it, go ahead and buy whatever your favorite vegan grated Parmesan is. I've got a little bit of minced garlic here, and then I have some vegan mayo. This is all we need to make a really great filling for our tofu pockets. It's so easy. Let me show you how, and let's get started.